Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nando. I do outdoor videos, just simple stuff, grills, different gear that I've acquired through the years. Thank you once again for having me. It's a simple video today. So, what you're looking at is the good old George Foreman mean fat grilling machine. I got some chicken right there marinating. I am going through all these boxes and containers that I have, and I found it, and I was like, wow, this brings back memories. I thought I'd break it out today so we can all have a good time here. It's preheating right now. The plates actually come off, and it's easier to wash. You can wash it in the dishwasher. I have this avocado oil, which I'm gonna spray here in a minute. There's no on and off button. You just plug it in, plug and play, as they say. Let me tell you. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Quick story. My youngest brother, he was about to embark into college, and I gave him one of these. I didn't think nothing of it. A decade later, it's like Nando's like that George Foreman grill was just the best thing ever. I cooked for my roommates, and he says like he used it till it fell apart. So that made me super happy. They make a great gift. Okay, so let's spray this bad boy. Huh? It's that time, sir. It's that time. So now, grill cooks on both sides. There's heating elements on both sides, and nothing else to do except to keep an eye on it. I seasoned the chicken with this Super Bird poultry chicken. Amazing. I'm gonna add some more as we're cooking here. That fun fact that Hulk Hogan, his agent, fun fact, Hulk Hogan's agent turned this down, and Hulk Hogan missed out on just millions and millions of dollars because his agent did not want Hulk Hogan to do this. And what did he do? Hulk Hogan tried selling some sort of beverage, and that didn't go anywhere. That's a shame. It's a beautiful day in the Midwest. Let's take a look. Hey. Seriously, right now? What's wrong with you? Those chicken mallets, or those wooden or metal mallets to tenderize meat. And so I did that. That's what I did with this chicken breast. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. All right, let's see where we are. Really? Is this hilarious, guys, or what? Look at this. Kidding me? Come on, chicken. It's all right. It's so funny because what I love about being outdoors and making these videos for you guys, nothing's gonna go perfect. And just recently I've been editing some of my videos, but there's a funny blooper. I just leave it in. That's what I love about. I know I've said this before. I don't even care. You know, you just got to go with the flow, adapt and overcome. Let's check the temperature, huh? Well, these things are done, guys. 165. Nice. Okay. Not bad, huh? Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Woo! Hot. Mm. It's done. Mm. Okay. Well, on that note, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and enjoy the chicken. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.